Country of origin, China. Model number, SK0230. Item package dimensions, 12.0 liters x 22.5 W x 25.0 H. Item package weight, 12.0 pounds. Trim kit, tub, and shower, material of construction acrylic, chrome finish, number of holes 0, operation manual, for use with Moen faucets, ADA compliant no, includes tub handle, single lever tub handle cap, handle screw, escutcheon sleeve, round flat escutcheon screws. Moen Chateau tub/shower rebuild kit. Manufactured by BrassCraft Service Parts. For Chateau single handle tub/shower. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent replacement. The old trim in the shower was showing its age, and after having to remove it to replace the shower valve, a new trim kit was in order. This was a perfect fit. Has built-in seals too. Easy to install.